Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to cut a raw hem on your own jeans so that they are perfect for your body. Now I'm going to be using a pair of my own jeans that I just purchased, so stick around to the end because I will show you the final result. No sewing machine required for this. All you need is your jeans, a pair of scissors, and a couple of pins. So let's jump into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lori. Today we're going to be using a pair of jeans that I just purchased, and I don't know if I ordered the wrong size or if they sent me the wrong item, not sure, but they're about a foot too long for me. So the jeans I purchased were from a brand called Ink or INC denim. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that. They are a boot cut bordering on a little bit of a flare. So these jeans I know I'm going to be wearing some sort of heel with. So that's what I'm going to be trying the jeans on when I go to pin them. So that's the first thing we need to do, is try our jeans on with the shoes that we're going to most likely wear with them, and then pin both of the legs exactly where you want them to hit. So it's been my experience that sometimes jeans, the material on the right leg and the left leg are not always equal or even. So that's why I'm suggesting that you pin both of the legs. So for reference, I am just under 5 feet tall. I ordered a size 6. I thought it was a petite. It's clearly not. It's way too long. But the purpose of this video is just to show you how easy it is to adjust your jeans to fit your body. And you really can't mess it up. It's so easy. So if you just follow along, and we'll get to it. So as I said before, try on your jeans with the shoes that you're going to wear with them. Pin both of the legs. Then take your jeans and just simply press the crease where we're going to cut. This will just simply help guide you when you go to cut the jean. And don't worry about it being perfect. It's perfectly fine. It's going to have a raw edge hem on it, so just give it your best shot. Once you're done ironing, just lay them flat on your ironing board, line up the crotch, and then pin both sides of the opening of each leg together, and that's just going to help keep it straight for you when you go to cut along the seam. So that's the next thing you do, just simply cut along the seam. Then the rest is easy. You're just gonna simply start pulling at some of the strings where you cut on that raw hem to give it a little bit more of a fringy look. And as you wash the jeans, it will help move that process along. If you're finding after a few washes that it's looking a little too stringy, just take your scissors and cut off the excess strings or the strings that are too long. As promised, I'm going to show you the pair of jeans that I ordered that were too long and show you what they look like after this entire process. Okay guys, here is the final product. My jeans fit me, and it really only took just a couple of minutes. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Don't be afraid to cut your jeans. It is really super simple, and once you get the first pair done, you will see how easy it is and save yourself a little bit of money at the tailor. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you like the content you're seeing at my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much.